Hey, it's Sunday, we're in the shop, and I need to tell you some news. I'm in YouTube jail. I know people, you're like, what? Um, Here's the deal. My son is a cyber guy, and now, some of you watch the channel, he's becoming a fireman, and he does stump grinding. But I kept asking him some questions, and he was telling me, because I have two channels. I have one that I do my AI art, and then one that I put my old movie clips of guy stuff, and I experiment with AI, talking AI and stuff because I like to learn things and I like it. It's part of art to me. I do AI art also. So on that channel, I don't know, I got 100 and something shorts and videos and stuff. And that channel was never ever going anywhere. I think I have maybe 1,000 subscribers or just a hair more, 1,000 and change, okay? I put a video up, it would only get 1 or 2 or 3 views. And certain ones in the very beginning, it just blew off the chart, first few hours, 1,000. But then later on, it was like choke, 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 choke. People would watch it, but it just get choked down. So I started asking my son about the other channel, saying, hey, is there some kind of like YouTube blackmail, like they don't like a certain subject or something? He said, basically I'm being shadow banned, all right, to where the algorithm is seeing what I'm putting up. It's so advertisers don't like this kind of stuff. So I could never get monetized on it, which I didn't care. It was just a place to post my work. And people are close to me knew about the channel, would look at it and laugh or say yes, or they didn't like it. But nothing bad or anything. And I liked it because I would do old movie clips or war movie, John Wayne, different things like that, and clip stuff together, put music behind it. And for me, being an old man, I enjoyed it. I got to relive a lot of movies and stuff I grew up with and find clips I forgot about. And so after discussing it with my son, I said, well, let me test this. So I took some of the clips from there on that channel and put it on my channel as shorts, okay? My channel I will lie to you, probably for 4 days, blew up. I mean, subscribers, views, 30,000 views, 20,000 views. In the first 1 minute of posting it, 500 views. And I was like, why is it on the other channel? These videos have been up for 2-3 years and 4 views, 5 views. I put it on my channel. Yes, I have whatever, 14,000 subscribers or something like that. And I understood that part, but it would just rocket. So I transferred some of them on. I would test it doing that. And subscribers were going on there. And I even looked at where they were coming from. A lot of them were coming from places, because of World War II movies and stuff, Japan, Germany, Russia, and Ukraine. I was like, wow, I'm looking at my algorithm stuff and all, and my channel started exploding. And I was like, well, this is great. And I put up my regular stump grinding stuff, my repair stuff's all on the channel, as you guys know. And then all of a sudden, Thursday morning, I come back from stump grinding, take a shower, look at my YouTube thing to see if any comments, and there were good comments on there. But there was this banner across that said, you have been demonetized. And there was appeal processes. What am I being demonetized for? I mean, they've already been up on YouTube for years. I just switched them on here. So I wrote that in the appeal process. I went online, typed it, but they also make you make a short video of yourself telling them, basically, I'm sorry, this is all I did. And then if you start reading the rules and rules and rules, they're written so vague, and you start scratching your heads like, what happened? And then I went ahead and started looking at different things about it. And actually the monetization before that was even more than a normal short. And I was like, well, this is all guy stuff and people tend to enjoy it, the thumbs up out the wazoo. And I got that message, right? So then I appealed, and it says allow up to like 16 days. Well, I made the short video, sent it into Google. I asked them, I said, hey, they were just old movie clips, blah, blah, blah. If I need to take them down, I take them down, whatever, whatever they want. Boom. It said to me, it didn't even take, not even 24 hours. I mean, I woke up the next morning and saw the response. My appeal had been denied. And basically, I'm in YouTube jail until January 21st or 25th. And then I was to take down all those videos that it doesn't even tell you what you violated or what video, because some of my long videos, I would put those funny clips from a movie there. Some of them only 1 second or 2 second clip, and put them in there. And when I uploaded all those videos, even the shorts, it would scan them for checks, say, okay. Or it would say, hey, this video will be partially blocked some places in the world. I won't be able to see this video because there's certain music in there. Okay, no big thing. It posted, went up on YouTube. And then I started learning. I said, after I got demonetized, I started searching it. My son goes, I think they got a new CEO, Dad, and I think they got some new policies on you can't. And I started researching too. Of any video you got, within the first 8 seconds, if there's a curse word, and curse words are broad banner, of what it could be. All right, I think hell and something else are really not even considered a curse word anymore, but that's okay. And on my channel, I try to stay away from that. But the shorts I was putting up those 4 days were military stuff, so they don't like anything that's graphic in nature, anything that's like war nature, you'll be demonetized. And so I started looking around under the subject matter to people I watch. There's one guy that's called the Antenna Guy. And he doesn't do anything but just talk about antennas that you could use to watch over-the-air TV. And he's even scratching his head because his channel got flatlined to where his viewership, I think, got down to a half or a quarter. So I started looking at other people. I'm just a small guy. Anybody that has gaming, like games that Call of Duty, stuff like that, these guys were really big, these young guys, boom, demonetized. It's just, I thought it was weird for about me. It was bam, 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 bam. It's going all around YouTube. So I will be good. I will continue on the other channel, those movie shorts, wherever, because I don't care if that channel ever gets demonetized. I enjoy making my AI art. I like making AI that talks. And I even got a little thing on there about a subject matter that I talked about drugs. It was true because I used to work in the drug world, as helping bust meth labs, all that stuff like that. I was very good at it. And they don't like that subject matter. And I think that may have triggered it because on my channel that you're watching this on, I put some stuff about fentanyl, the facts about fentanyl, how drug dealers use it, what drug dealers, da-da-da-da. It's on my other channel. I'll put a link in the description to my other channel if you want to hear. Crack cocaine, I gave a detailed description in AI form. And I think those they pushed me over the limit and got me demonetized, all right? So, and I talked about the cartel stuff. And hey, I just tell you the truth, right? So YouTube's a funny world now. Everything has to be nicey-nicey. And you know what? I will continue this channel on repairing stuff, all right? I won't put any of them other movie clips or anything in it. I'm just letting you up front. It'll be strictly repair stuff and me telling you some stuff that I even, I try to not even curse on this, but if you have a YouTube channel, the first 8 seconds, if any kind of curse word or kind of anger or something comes out, they'll either demonetize you or no one will ever see that video. Because I tested the theory on Friday. I made 2 shorts. And the shorts were made within 30 seconds of another. One was about stump grinding, right? About one stump I was doing. And the other one was about YouTube monetization, that's what they call it. And the YouTube one, I think maybe I got 15 views. The stump grinding one immediately was 500 views, or 4 something. it would change, right? So I said, well, would you look at that? So you got to understand something too. When you're appealing and looking at the YouTube stuff, it's not human beings anymore. AI, the computers are running it. YouTube is so large now. They make their money on advertising. So if there's anything negative or something touchy-feely that someone might not like or whatever, they'll block you, because advertisers in general don't, they want, I don't know, something that's unreal, right? I'm kind of raw and tell you the world, but I still mind my manners on telling you about the world. And on the other channel, I'm rough. I won't lie to you. Not that kind of rough way you're thinking right away. I'm rough. I'm manly. I just tell you like it is, right? And so if you like the video, subscribe. It helps me out, even though I'm in YouTube jail, and I'll be in jail until January. At first, I was like, forget it. I'm not going to do it anymore. What the hell? Why am I going to do this? And I said, no, I never was doing this for any money. If you guys want to know what I really made off of YouTube, it was between $3 and $5 a day on a good day that the algorithm would do. I mean, I wasn't making any real money, and that's okay. I didn't start this for that. I started this to teach you guys how to do stuff and repair stuff, because the guy, the blue collar guy, or even the educated guy that never had a dad or uncle to teach you how to turn a wrench or anything, we're dying off, and there's not that many people of us left around that want to spend time with you or teach you anything. I do, My father had another theory in life. I mean, he would teach us stuff, my brother and I. But my father had a theory too that said, why would a rich man ever teach you how to become rich? Which he was partially true. But me, I've done very well in life, and I like to pass it on. I'd like to know that I was placed on this earth to help people. Whether I was on the fire service or here on YouTube, or even me driving down the road and I see you broke down or something, I'm that guy that will pull over and help you in some way, all right? All right, so it's real. Right now I am behind YouTube jail, and it's all right. And some of you that are wondering what's going on with your channels, if you're a young guy and you were making good, there's some people that had like 1 million subscribers or 500,000 subscribers, and they were making $3, $4 a me. Some of these guys are making $40,000, $50,000, $80,000 a month. And all of a sudden, what happens? They were counting on that money, they're choked off. I never count on this. Every dollar I ever made off of YouTube, it's invested in a Robinhood account that gives me dividends. I mean, that's how anal I am. That later on my son will have that account. So these videos are passed on to my son to watch his father, because I'm getting, I'm 63 years old, should I pass. And the account for Robinhood, he's the beneficiary, so it lives on. My legacy lives on again. With all that, if you want to start a YouTube channel, be careful what you say. Don't piss off the Pope. God bless you, man. Have a good one. And watch, I'll put some links if I can on some other really good videos on watching what, apparently now there's a lawyer. There used to be a lawyer for like movie stars and stuff, but now it's a lawyer for YouTube creators, because some of these people were making really, really big money, and now they didn't save the money like I did. Have a good one, man.